Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable automatic driver downloads on your Windows 10 computer. So there's still an ability to avoid installing automatic driver updates, and this could definitely be useful to some individuals. So in this brief tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu, and you want to type in Control Panel. You want to select the best match, which should say Control Panel right above Desktop App. You want to left click on that. Your view by up here should be set to Category View. And then on the left, you want to left click on where it says System and Security. So left click on that. Underneath System, you want to left click on where it says View Amount of RAM and Processor Speed. Now that you've done that, on the left side, you want to left click on Advanced System Settings. Now you want to left click on the Hardware tab, where it says Device Installation Settings right here. You want to left click on this button. Then you're going to have a prompt here that says, do you want to automatically download manufacturers, apps, and custom icons available for your devices? If you want to disable it, just left click on no. Your device might not work as expected. And then left click on Save Changes, and then click on OK. Once you've done that, I would recommend restarting your computer, and that should be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.